G'day guys, welcome back to the channel. So last week we were racing at Lakeside, or at least attempting to, and obviously had some fuel pump issues. So moving on from that, we are not fixing any fuel pumps today. We went to 1320 this morning and picked up some new PSR front runners. So they are 26 by 6 by 17 and they are super grippy. So we are gonna make some changes to my plan. Now, I'm pretty sure I said it on video, I got those full polished front wheels, and my plan was to go full polished front, full polished rear, beadlock rear, and paint the polished bits gold. I've done a bunch of testing on some polished alloy. I was making a video on it. I was gonna make a whole video on making the wheels gold. I think I've decided I'm just gonna stay polished. I'm not gonna go gold anymore. So we're gonna fit the tires to the wheels today, fit them to the car. These wheels are getting picked up from someone, by someone, to go on their new build, which I might show that in another video. Anyway, so gonna rip the wheels out of the boxes, go across the road to our tire machine, fit the tires. I don't think I'll be able to get these on to the rim without the machine because they're a lot narrower wheel. I will give it a quick try because I can also use lube on the beads, unlike the rear wheels where you don't want to do that. So it might be able to do it here. Anyway, I will quickly try that, and yeah, then we'll fit the wheels to the car and we'll see how it looks. All right, so same as last time. We'll try this. No guarantees it'll work. No guarantees it won't. All right, so they're quite small, so I'm not sure if I'll be able to do them by hand, but let's see how this goes. At least we can spray them this time, so I'm just going to go with some silicone spray on the beads. Alright, this one's going to be a left. Alright. Maybe this will work. Now I'll chuck that in on my tire fitting machine. Nah, this is going to be way too hard. Maybe I'll try some bars. Forgot I've got a little motorbike tyre fitting kit. Probably a bit hard with the wheel being so light and wanting to jump. Oh, seems to be working. But now we need to get down onto the bead. There we go. Now we're gonna go use tire machine. I'm just gonna destroy these. Not happening today. All right, I've just had to bloody repair the tire machine, but haven't sprung a leak. Seems to be pretty good now. Hopefully this machine can go down low enough. Beautiful. The puppy ain't going anywhere. Bit easier with a time machine. The one Illicit wheel and PSR tyre is 17 kilos. I'll look at this, the more I get excited. I'm actually really thinking the polished alloy is going to be the look. So obviously my original plan was buy the front end polished because they're available, get them done in gold, put them on. I bought these because the Street Pros didn't fit. Just don't love the black and silver. I was going to sell these and buy polished, but I might actually just send these to get polished because they're still a few months away. And if I get them polished, I'll have a matching set for now, and I will get them done in beadlock soon at some point. So for now it will be polished and black combo, but at least the same style wheel. So the closest I've had to matching wheels on this damn thing in a while. Just going to give it one of these dogs. Bloody beautiful. So it needs a little bit more tyre pressures because she's quite flat looking, but does look good. They stick out quite a fair bit further than the old tyres I had. I'd almost say that offset's a little bit too extreme, but these used to sit in heaps and look really kind of gross. Like, that does look a lot better. Maybe it needs a smidge of camber in the front just to pull it in just a smidge. But most people would run their cars a little lower than mine anyway. There we have it. Definitely need to get the rears polished, I think. They're still a few months away, so I'm going to just get mine paint stripped and polished. I think that'll look much better. Because they look really small now with the black barrels compared to the polished. Alrighty-o, so let's go and get this other wheel fitted up. This other tyre fitted up and get them on and give the car a wash because it is absolutely disgusting again. Ugh. So obviously, same as the other side, they are awesome, but I definitely need to get the rears polished ASAP so that they match. But anyway, we finally have wheels that match, just the wrong colours. Alright, so from that angle, I am frothing the offset of these wheels because now the rears look fat and tough and the fronts look fat and tough. Sweet. Alright, gonna hit them with the tyre inflator and get them up to proper pressure. Alright, so that has them sitting up just a smidge more. They still look flat, but the Nankangs were shocking like that too, so I guess that's just how front runners are with a big heavy bloody Barra boat engine on top of it. Do this one in super speed and we'll see what the difference is before and after inflating. To save me going back and watching a previous video, they weigh the same. Give these a quick scrub for Joshy. Clean, nice and all bloody spiffo. Hopefully they end up going on Josh's new car. Alrighty guys, that is all I had time for today. So, gonna solve the fuel system issues in another video, and next week I will be in Melbourne, so I probably won't be filming much more because Mother's Day tomorrow. Next week I'll be in Melbourne, so that'll be it for a little bit. I have got a backlog of videos, so this upload schedule should be about at least once a week over the next couple of weeks anyway. So that is a short one today. Thanks for watching guys. I'll see you on the next video.